How to enable two-factor authentication in Zoho Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily set up two-factor authentication in the Zoho Mail account. So let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser on your device and type in zoho.com in the URL box. Once you end up in the official site for Zoho, make sure that you're also logged into your account, and once logged in, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now click on My Account in the pop-up. You'll need to verify your identity, so go ahead and enter your password for your Zoho Mail account and you'll be able to access this settings menu. From here, go to the top left and tap on the three horizontal menu button and click on Multi-Factor Authentication. Right after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Here, you can go ahead and choose OTP Authenticator, Security Key, Passkey. Select any one authentication method. I'm just going to click on the OTP Authenticator and tap on Setup Now under OTP Authenticator. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and download the Authenticator app of your choice on your device. You can download Authy or Google Authenticator app. Go ahead and tap on the copy button after you download and install your Authenticator app and copy the key. Now open up your Authenticator app and tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Click on Enter a Setup Key, and inside your key, paste in the key that you copied. Under account name, you can type in Zoho and click on Add. Now get back to your Zoho website and click Next. Get back to Google Authenticator app and tap on the Zoho code that has been generated and paste it in. And click Verify. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication. You can also enable the backup verification codes option. Backup verification codes allow you to access your Zoho account when you are having trouble signing in. Click on Generate New Code. Now you can go ahead and copy these codes and then paste it somewhere safe. These codes can be used to access your Zoho account if you have trouble signing in. Each codes can be used only once. The codes will not be displayed again for security reasons, so make sure you copy it right away or download it on your device. So that way you can easily turn on multi-factor authentication on Zoho, or you have also successfully backed up your backup codes. Just make sure to keep the backup codes in a safe place. Don't share your two-factor authentication code with anyone. You can use the Authenticator app for stronger security. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.